In this guide, I'll show you how to add XRP to your Metamask wallet in 2025. Whether you are already comfortable with crypto wallets or just starting out, this is an easy way to expand the types of assets you can manage through Metamask. To get started, open the Metamask app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once you've got it set up, launch the app. You'll be asked to enter your password to log in. This is the same password you used when creating your account. It's important to keep it secure since it protects all the assets in your wallet. Type it in carefully and tap unlock to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, look for the plus plus button in the top right corner. This is where you begin adding new tokens or cryptocurrencies to your wallet. Clicking that button opens the option to search for and import a new asset. In the search field, type XRP. This will bring up the token you want to add. Once you see XRP appear in the list, select it. This tells the app that you want to include XRP in your wallet supported assets. After selecting the token, you will see a next button usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm you are ready to proceed with the import. Finally, hit import. This adds XRP to your wallet so you can start tracking, sending, or receiving it directly from Metamask.